friend. I hope you are having a fantastic Tuesday. I'm Mary Beth with Sustainable Lifestyle Solutions, and I am coming to you as your home and office design expert to talk a bit about your six-figure workspace. Now, there are three aspects to your workspace, and that is number one, your mindset, your mental workspace. What goals do you have and what is holding you back? So really getting into what kind of limiting beliefs are you might be dealing with, feelings of unworthiness or guilt. Whatever those blocks are, you need to get past that and align yourself with a woman that has a six-figure business. This is totally mental to begin with. Second aspect of the six-figure workspace is your physical environment. So that is where in your home is your workspace located. What is in there, the furniture, the shelving, the storage, books, anything physical, tangible, tactile that you can touch and deal or feel that goes into your space. And number three is your digital workspace. This is your computer, everything that's online that you have to do for your business, your time management, your emails, your digital files, your meetings, all kinds of stuff that's there. So in order to have a six-figure business, you need to have all three of these things really dialed in order to make that happen and be successful. Lucky for you, I'm doing a new 3-day workshop at the end of the month called The 3 Keys to Optimizing Your Home Office. Check the comments for more.